Hello, I am Nirmalia Sengupta. I am from FATEK. I look after FATEK's India operation. FATEK is a 30 years old Taiwanese multinational company present in 60 countries all over the world. We provide complete automation solution. We manufacture all components like PLC, servo drive, then HMI. Also, we are into IoT, we are into SCADA, we have our own cloud. We are present in 60 countries over the world. We have our own office. We have set up our own office in Pune. And we are providing excellent tech support and service. We are spreading our dealer and distributorship network all over India. So please visit our stall G8, 9 and 10. We can explain you about our product. We can explain you our different schemes so that you can be a channel partner. You can get associated with us. So thank you, and thanks to IED team for organizing such a wonderful expo. Thanks a lot.